This is a shitty fucking corn maze. What's up, gal? Fuck it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I guess I'm playing trucker today. Shut the fuck up. Seatbelts are for safety. God damn it, dude. Either way, I'm chopping all day today. Fucking corn and shit. Oh. Fucking leg anymore.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you
let the look at this. They just put an inoculant in. What is inoculant? Fuck if I know. I just drive. Fucking like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you want to see me do, or any fucking ideas, or honestly, if you just want to leave a mean comment, I'm down. But if you come at me, I'm coming at you, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you.
Well, it's about 4:30. I thought I was doing good. Hadn't had any fuck ups until now.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too.
Alright, well, we got it unstuck, obviously. I'm driving it again. I'm hot! I'm tired! Windshield's dirty as shit, but fuck it. Oh my god, so much corn.
Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts and stays.